Welcome back. I'm the Clean Queen. Life's messy. Let's clean it up. Today, we're gonna make this king-size bed look luxurious yet cozy. If you like what you see here today, be sure to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date for everything that's going on in Clean Queen's house. Let's get to it. To get started, I do have a bed skirt on the bed already, and I also have this king-size mattress cover. This is really nice for if you have kids or pets in the bed. It just prevents anything from staining your mattress. And it has a nice laminate coating on the bottom of it. And you can see that. So nothing's gonna get through. And the top is a terry cloth, and I'll put that in the description for you below. Now I think the mattress cover is great because it covers your mattress and protects it. I highly recommend a mattress cover if you don't have one because mattresses are a lot of money. And it's washable as well. Now I don't know about you, but nothing makes me happier than 100% cotton sheets. Now that our fitted sheet's on the bed, it's time to put on our flat sheet. I do have a king size bed, and as you can see, my sheet does cover one side where I can tuck it in. It just barely fits the other side to tuck it in. So I'll kind of cheat. I'm gonna just bring this up a little bit, and that way I don't even tuck it in. So you can see that it looks really neat, and then the comforter and the pillows are gonna cover it so you won't even know. But at the end, I'm really meticulous how I fold the flat sheet underneath the mattress. So as you can see here, my flat sheet is very long. I don't wanna tuck it underneath with the bed skirt, and sometimes that happens. I'm just gonna take a bunch of it in the corner, and I'm going to lift up the sheet, and then I'm just going to move it under while pulling the bed skirt down. I fold it under again, get another piece, and then pull the bed skirt down. And I'll do that again with the corner. And it's nice and tight. I just want to show you everything that's gonna go on the bed is in the hallway, and it will soon be there. After all this work, I'm ready for a nap, but not yet. So here are our queen size Mediflo pillows, and they have water in them, and they help you to sleep on your back or your side without having to put your hand under your pillow. It's really uncomfortable if you do that. Our chiropractor recommended these a while back, and I have never slept better. I strongly recommend them. Look into them. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm going to put a pillowcase cover, just like my mattress cover, on my pillows. I like everything protected, that way it lasts longer. Each of them are about $45, I want to say, with shipping, and they last a while, but I want to make sure they're taken care of. So, pillow cover it is. Now that my pillowcase covers are on, I'm going to put on my pillowcases. Now that my sheets are on my bed and my pillowcases are done, I'm going to put on my UGG faux fur comforter. It is a reversible comforter. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond. I could reverse it because it is really snazzy for the winter time, but I'm gonna put a nice Christmas quilt on it to cover it up. So I'm gonna go around and just make sure it's even on both sides. We're almost done. So now I'm gonna put on my quilt that has red, white, and gray, perfect for a Christmas season. So I'm going to put this over my comforter. I purchased this from Target and I absolutely love it. The quality is great, there's no pilling, the stitching is all intact, and I've had this for a couple seasons now. I change out my comforters each season just to give my room a different feeling and vibe. This is the Threshold brand from Target, and I have nothing but positive things to say. So I just want to make sure that my quilt is over my comforter evenly, and I like how I have these squares at the bottom, and it tells me exactly where I am. So if it's up more, it shows me it's uneven. So there we go. You cannot see the gray comforter. For the winter, I have these amazing Threshold pillows from Target. They're 24 by 24 inches. I use 3 of them to cover the length of our headboard. Before I put them down, I always lint roll them whenever I wash the sheets. As I'm going to put them at the top of my bed. And now I'm going to put my king-size pillowcases. Here's a trick. I want them to stand up a little bit more, so what I'm going to do is fold a blanket, use them behind each pillow. So it gives them a little bit more of that, and they are already higher. Next, I'm gonna place my shams in front of my pillowcases. And I'm just gonna take a quick lint roller to them too. And then I just curl the tags underneath. Next, I'm gonna use my throw pillows. And I just use the lint roller on them. So the tags will be hidden when I put my next pillow on. But I put a little dent in there. That looks luxurious, yet very cozy. Just so you can see, all that lint came from all those throw pillows. And now my hallway is all clean, and my bed is all made. To go to sleep tonight. This luxurious and cozy bed is all ready. After watching today's video, I hope you found it to be useful in order to make your bed become luxurious yet cozy for the winter time or all seasons. Be sure to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date for everything going on in Clean Queen's house.